Hello everyone, it's Darlene with you, my Club Create for August. Each month I choose a bundle or a stamp set and I create 4 unique cards with it. You get to make 2 of each card in your kit. I provide all the supplies needed to create those cards along with the envelopes and a set of crafty goodies. This is available as a subscription or as a single class. The subscription period is from the 21st of the month to the 20th of next month. So August Club Create subscription period opens today, July 21st, and closes on August 20th. And then your kit ships beginning the week of the 25th of August. And this month, let me show you what we're doing. This is the bundle that I'm featuring, the Sweet Jar bundle. Now you can choose to add this to your card club. If you do, I offer it to you at a discount, which is basically catalog price, and I pay your tax and shipping. So this is a photopolymer set that is well loved, and it also comes bundled with the Sweet Jar Builder Punch. And this is an online exclusive, so you're actually not going to find it in the actual physical catalog. You can see it online. Now you can, you may already have this bundle, or you can use stamps you already own. You will need the punch for your jars and your lids, or you can choose to fussy cut them. Now let me show you what's included in your kit. Everything does come packaged. Each card comes in an individual envelope, so all the parts and pieces for each card are in an envelope, and everything is ready to go for you to stamp and assemble and have fun. Now the subscription is charged to your credit card the same time every month. So if you sign up on the 21st of July, then on August 21st your card is going to get billed for the September kit, and so on. And you can go in and cancel your subscription if you want to. And but it's the easy button. You don't have to think about it. I send you an email letting you know what the kit is for that month and the opportunity to add on anything if you wish, the bundle or I tell you what ink pads that I used. Just get a single month. You can pay just a little bit more and get the kit just for 1 month. There are loyalty rewards after 6 consecutive months of Club Create, and that is where you'll get a really nice package valued at $25 with products and goodies and all kinds of fun things. So for the August kit, let me show you the cards first. So we have a fun fold, and here's this one. Here it is in the pinks and purples and Secret Sea. And then of course you get your 8 envelopes as well. Now let me show you the crafty goodies that you're going to use and then use them to keep creating. So we're using the Impressions of Bloom. I'm sorry, this is called the Florals in Bloom Designer Series paper. It's a 12 by 12 pack, and so you're going to get, yours will be cut down to 6 by 12, and you get 2 of each of the patterns. And we used the back sides for this class. I just used the back side. So you also get a package of the neutral matte dots along with the 1/4 inch white ribbon. So this is Club Create for August. Subscription period is now open. The link will be in the description below. And if you're not on my email list, make sure you sign up for that because the registration went out along with this little video and the add-on. You get an add-on email that lets you know the supplies that I use. So I hope you'll consider either joining my Club Create or just taking a single month for August. I've packed a lot of love and a lot of value into this August kit featuring the Sweet Jar bundle. Thank you so much for your consideration. Bye-bye.